Let's see, poor digestion, please help. So if you have a poor digestion, we need to work on your liver. We need to work on your pancreas. We need to work on the gut, the entire gut. We need to work on the small intestines, okay? Because all these are part and parcel of the GI tract, okay? You gotta fix the whole thing, okay? So if you have poor digestion, I would take herbs for the pancreas, take herbs for the gut, the stomach, okay, and herbs for the liver. You want good bile production. You want good digestion. This is what it's all a part of it. So you need to change the diet. If you can't, I'll go 100% fruits. If you can't go 100% fruits, use the green drinks and use those herbs I specified, as well as the Fabulous 5. That'll cover the base for you. Okay, the Fabulous 5 is always the base because it has herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels, and it's going to keep cover all the bases for you. And you have extra herbs for the liver, extra herbs for the pancreas, extra herbs for the bowels, for the GI tract. And you see, you get your health back and your digestion back. Okay. Remember that the digestion part of digesting food also has to do with your adrenals. So you got to work on your adrenals as well.